And here, this is the home screen of the application or the VPN application. Very, very easy to use. And here you may see free connection. This is pretty much where you go to get your or select your servers. As you can see here, not much servers, but as you can see, and also over here you have the VIP server. I would say S tier VIP servers. So you just select whichever server you want to use. Do keep in mind you may need subscription for some of these servers. So let's say I want to use France, for example. All I have to do is tap on this option here. As you can see here, this will need a subscription or API subscription. So if I do tap on the buy option, I will to see your subscription prices, and over here you're gonna need subscription as well. So these two servers are different prices, so do keep that in mind. And if you do want a free connection server, you have to tap on the smart option, or you don't select any option at all. So as you can see here, the free connection server that I'm currently on, I won't be able to use any server or anything like that. But can still get connected. Just tap on the connection button here. Will ask for a connection request. Tap on OK, and you'll be connected in no time. So very easy to use, but most of the servers, if not all of the servers, you're going to need a subscription. And I've just showed you guys how much for your subscription and so forth. So the daily rewards option here, nothing much. You just claim daily connection time and so forth. Nothing much for that. So here you have the smart and the global mode. I'm pretty much on the global mode option. Nothing much for that as well. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I miss anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.